Hello, grade 3 again. Let's explain lesson 6 materials. Okay, materials. Materials divided into two groups or sorted into two groups, natural and man-made. Natural that God made and man-made we make it, okay? Okay, look at this photo. It's natural or man-made? Excellent, it's natural. The t-shirt, man-made, excellent, we make it. The plastic bottle, yes, it's man-made. The sun, it's natural, God made. Okay, cotton, the cotton, God made, so it's natural. Okay, iron, look, this is the iron. It's look like this rock. This is a rock of iron, okay? So, the rock of iron, it's natural, while those in the other picture, it's man-made. Okay. The material or an object can be made of one material or more than one material. The table is made of one material, which is wood, while this house made of many materials, wood, iron, glass, and many materials, right? Okay, so look at this window. Is it made of one material or more? Yes, more than one material, glass and wood. Okay, and that a chair, excellent, grade 3. It's made from one material, which is plastic, right? Okay, look at this kitty. Its touch look like what? Soft, its touch soft, right? And this break, it's rough. It may hurt our hands, right? Okay. The nail, hard. And the glass, smooth. Okay? Okay. Okay. What do you think? Scissor is rough, soft, hard, or smooth? Great. Excellent, grade 3. It's hard. And the stones, rough, excellent, grade 3. The mirror, smooth, right. And this feather, it's soft like kitty, right? Excellent, grade 3. Also, material has other properties, which is waterproof. Okay, waterproof is one of the properties of the material. Okay, what is the waterproof? We use the umbrella when it's raining, right? Why? Because the umbrella can't let the water pass to us. It protects us from the water coming from the sky, right? So the umbrella is waterproof. Also, there is mobile phones waterproof, and this is plastic. Look at the plastic. The plastic can let the water pass through it. It can't absorb the water. Also, absorbent. Absorbent, it's a material that can absorb water or let the water pass through. Let the water pass through like tissue, and this is sponge. Okay? Also, we have a magnetic properties. Look at that iron or that iron key, okay? It attracted to the magnet. Why it attracted to the magnet? Because it's magnetic material. So, we have another two properties for material. If it's magnetic, will attract it like this key to the magnet, or non-magnetic will not attract it. Okay, and we said the magnetic material like iron, and the non-magnetic that will not attract it like gold. Okay, the material may be shiny, may be dull. Shiny like gold and silver, and dull like door. Okay, many materials have more than one property. How? For example, this is a metal. What do you think? Is it shiny? Yes, I think it's shiny. Is it waterproof? Yes, metal can let the water pass through. What else? Hard. Yes, it's hard. So, metals are shiny, hard, and waterproof. Excellent. This is a paper, okay? Like in your copybook. What do you think the properties of this paper? I think it's very smooth, right? And it's light. Excellent. So the paper is smooth and light. Okay. We can also find similar properties in different material. How? Glass and wood. Glass and wood have a common material which is hard. Both of them are hard, right? Okay. This watch and that bottle, they are both waterproof. The plastic of the bottle and the metals in this watch are waterproof. So waterproof is the common properties between plastic and metal. Hard is the common property between glass and wood. Excellent. When we get to make a hammer, what the material can I use? I think we have to choose strong and hard material to make hammer. So we used iron to make hammer. We used iron to make hammer. Excellent. Okay, in winter, our clothes, what do you think it's made of what? Yes, it's made of wool. It's made of wool because it's soft and will feel us warm. And the wool, we get it from the sheep, you know? Okay. We have a test here, which is called the scratch test, to investigate or to know the hardness of the material. How? We make a scratch like this photo, okay? And we scratch with other material. And the scratched one will be softer than the other, okay? We do it in the class, by the way, right? Okay. Here, the iron or metals used in the cooking pot. You know, this is the cooking pot that your mom cooked in. Okay, why? We made it of metal. Why? Because metal, look at the photo, metals conduct or deliver heat. So it will take the heat from the flame and give it to the food, so the food will cook. Okay? So metals will conduct heat or deliver heat. Excellent. Here, metals are natural materials, right? Okay. Shiny like gold, hard and strong like iron. So gold used to make jewelry, right? Why? Because gold is shiny. Okay. And iron used to build bridges. Why? Because iron is hard and strong. And metals used in a cooking pot. Why? Because it conducts heat. Okay? Thank you, grade 3. See you next video, inshallah.